Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is a recipe for Haitian Epis. And so I thought that I would share with all of you this wonderful recipe, and it is basically like a marinating sauce. It is like a marinating spice, so it's a spice that is used to marinate different types of meat and different types of seafood. And in Creole and also in French, it is called épice, which means spice. And this is a type of marinating spice that is used a lot in the Haitian culture when it comes to food. We use it a lot with different types of food that we prepare. For example, griot, we have sauce pois, we also have legume, and the different types of food that we prepare. So we actually use this spice to prepare the food. And let me tell you, this is just absolutely delicious. It truly reminds me of Haiti. It reminds me of the food that I tasted when I went to Haiti, and it reminds me of the food that I have been eating ever since I was little. So it is delicious. So I'm going to go over all of the details, all of the ingredients that you'll need. You'll definitely need a food processor or a blender that can blend everything really fine. But other than that, like I've mentioned, it is easy to make and it is delicious. And I'm going to go over all of the details in order for you to make this Haitian Epis. So before I even get started, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. And if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. It is free. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back. And so now let me go ahead and get started in today's recipe and share with you how I put everything together. And so my mom and I are actually making it together. So like I've mentioned, I'm going to share the ingredients and everything that you will need. Okay everyone, I'm going to get started with the first ingredient for the Haitian Epis. So the first ingredient is going to be 1 bundle of thyme. The second ingredient is going to be culantro. So this is culantro. And you are going to need about 4 bundles of culantro. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is culantro. It adds lots of flavor. Now, the next ingredient is going to be green onions, and so you will need 5 bundles of green onions. And the next ingredient is turmeric leaves, and so this is turmeric leaves that my mom and I grow organic. So we're growing turmeric in our backyard, and so I ended up getting 3 leaves from the backyard. You will need some garlic, and this is about 3 pounds of garlic that my mom and I got from Costco. Okay, the next ingredient is going to be different types of bell peppers, many bell peppers. And so let me go over all of the peppers that is going to be used for the Haitian Epis. So you're going to need about 4 of the Cubano peppers. You're going to need about 3 of the green peppers and 4 of the mixed peppers. So this is the pepper that's kind of mixed. Now if you can't find this, you can definitely use the green peppers. Okay, and about 3 yellow bell peppers and about 3 red peppers. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some onions, and so this is about 9 onions. And then moving along, I have 2 bundles of parsley, 2 bundles of cilantro right in here. Okay. And as far as the other spices, I'm gonna be using ground turmeric, and of course some more thyme, and also some of the chicken bouillon. Now the chicken bouillon, you can omit it. Of course, you know, the chicken bouillon is for flavor, but you can also add salt if you don't want to add the chicken bouillon, or you could just omit the salt and the chicken bouillon completely. But we add a little bit of chicken bouillon to ours because you know, some of the Haitian chefs, some of the Haitian cooks do add the chicken bouillon, and some omit it. So again, it's a personal choice, but we're going to be adding a little bit of the chicken bouillon. And we are going to be adding some hot sauce and also some extra virgin olive oil. So this is all of the ingredients to make the Haitian Epis. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop everything, and I'm going to go over on how it looks like. And this is going to be making a lot. So another thing that I do want to mention is that this freezes really well. So if you have some left over, you can definitely put it in the freezer. But now let me go ahead and chop up everything and share with you how I put everything together. Okay everyone, so as you can see, we're chopping up all of the thyme and the parsley and the onions, and everything is being chopped up. And then after that, we are putting it right in the blender here, and we're blending everything together. So towards the end, I'm just going to show everyone how it looks, and towards the end, I'm going to be adding everything towards the Haitian Epis. As you can see, everything is just being chopped up. Okay, we just finished blending everything together, and then so now we're going to be adding the other spices. I am going to be putting in the video how much spices we are putting into this mixture. So I am going to be putting everything in and writing everything in. I'm going to go ahead and let me go ahead and get this in frame. I'm going to go ahead and add this hot sauce. Now this is optional, but of course my family and I, we love hot sauce, and so I am going to be adding this in. Okay, and I'm just going to be adding maybe, I would say, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Okay, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and stir this in. And I'm just stirring it, making sure everything is mixed in well together. So next I am going to be adding the turmeric. Now I did want to make a correction about the olive oil. So every time I blended the spices together, or everything together, I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, so I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So now I am going to go ahead and put in the ground turmeric. I'm going to put half of this. Okay, about half. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all in. And this is going to give it a really earthy flavor. I already have put the turmeric leaves in there, the one that my mom and I grow in the garden. And I am just going to mix everything together, make sure that everything is thoroughly mixed. And ladies and gentlemen, this smells absolutely divine. It smells like the Caribbean. It smells like Haitian cooking. It smells really, really yummy. And like I have mentioned in the beginning, this can be added into fish. It can be added into all kinds of meats. It's a really good marinating sauce. It's very, very beautiful sauce. Well, it's not really a sauce. It's a spice. So it's a very, very good marinating spice. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add the thyme. Okay, so now I added the thyme leaves, and I use 4 heaping tablespoons of this. And I already have added the fresh thyme already, but I'm adding 4 heaping tablespoons. And I'm just going to mix everything together, and this is going to even give it more of a wonderful flavor. Okay, so now I am going to add the chicken bouillon. Now, the chicken bouillon is there for flavor. I'm only going to be adding 2 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon. And the reason why I'm adding the 2 tablespoons is because I don't want to add too much because of the sodium content. My family and I, we don't really eat salt. And even if I was not going to add the chicken bouillon, I would not add salt. Now, it is up to you. I would say the chicken bouillon, there's some Haitian cooks that actually use this when they make the Haitian Epis, and there are some people that don't. So there are some that do, and there are some that just don't. So again, to add some flavor, I am going to be using this, but I'm only going to use 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to mix it into the Epis itself. So this is 2 heaping tablespoons. Now, like I've mentioned, this is a lot of Epis, okay? It is a lot. Like I have mentioned, we are going to be dividing this within the family. But of course, when my family and I, when we cook, we use this a lot. Now, one of the things that I can mention is if you make a lot of this, you can put some of it in the freezer. So you can have some in the fridge and some in the freezer. And like I have mentioned, this is delicious with fish. It is delicious with any type of meat. I have used this with roast chicken as a marinating spice, and it just has the flavor of Haiti. It has the flavor of the Caribbean. And a lot of times with Caribbean food is very flavorful. And I'm gonna say Haitian food itself is very, very flavorful. And it's because, you know, Haitian cooking, we add lots and lots of flavor and different ingredients. So this is one of the secrets to a lot of Haitian food tasting delicious. And, you know, a lot of times people that taste Haitian food for the very first time, that never have tasted Haitian food before, they said, wow, the food is very, very flavorful. It's because of this type of thing. For example, the Haitian Epis, all of the spices that we add into the food when we're cooking, and it gives it flavor. So this is one example of adding flavor to your food. It tastes really, really, really good. I just tasted, and like I have mentioned, it has like the flavor of the Caribbean. It has the flavor of Haiti in it. It's really flavorful. I can taste the onions and the green peppers and the cilantro, the parsley, all of the different bell peppers, the Cubano peppers, the thyme. I can taste everything, and it smells divine. It smells delicious. Okay, so that is it for this Haitian Epis recipe video. And as you can see, my mom and I just finished making it, and so now we're going to put it in some bottles. You can definitely put it in a mason jar, or you know, if you have like a plastic container, you can put it in a plastic container. And like I have mentioned, if you make a lot, it freezes really well, so you can put some in the freezer. And like I have mentioned, this is used for you to marinate your different types of seafood, different types of meat, and it is divine and it is delicious. So you can definitely follow me in all of my social media. The links are going to be down below in the description box. I do have email that you can email me, so I'm going to be leaving my email address down below in the description box as well, and I'm going to leave it right here as well, so right here, so you could actually email me. And then also I am on Facebook, I am on TikTok and Instagram, so you can follow me there. And I will be doing more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more how to entertain at home videos, and more home decor videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.